Hi, today we'll be installing our 400 by 1500 pitch roof skylight. As you can see, the upstand is 10mm either side. I'm just letting the skylight flow freely into the hole. What you'll need is Dalsil 791 sealant, structural glazing tape, lead flushing, and this will all come part as our installation kit. We've already pre-cut the lead flashing, longer than the tile showing. Since 20 centimeters is showing, we've cut 25. First step is to install the lead flashing, starting from the bottom up, tucking it in each tile as you go up. After this is done, you put your silicone on top of the upstand and drop on the skylight. So this is what we'll be doing now. We're now going to apply the silicone. It's finally time to drop in your skylight. We're now going to put our structural glazing tape on our 2x1 batten, and it should look something like this. After you apply the structural glazing tape, you want to peel off the blue part, pop it into place, just touching the window, and then you want to screw the batten into place. You have now successfully installed your skylight.